As you may or may not know, I'm a mixing and mastering engineer. I work from home mostly, and I've been doing that for a long, long time. Sometimes I do proper jobs, what people would consider proper jobs, and if I get one of those, that's when I work as a business analyst. But most of the time, when I work from home, and when I was looking after my mother, who sadly passed away a few weeks ago, I work as a mixing and mastering engineer. So my question to you is that if you have a song that you want mixed or mastered or both, drop me a line, because I've got a website where I'm offering it for free. You can check out my work, you can see what I've done, where I've been involved, and so on. I'm setting up the website not just for me, but for other people to use as well. But for the main thing is that you can actually order a mixing and mastering service from me absolutely free for one song. No, don't send me a whole album, but for one song. And I'm doing this mainly to sort of gain a bit more traction. I've also got a profile that I've just put out on Fiverr because I've never really worked on those platforms. So I also have a Fiverr profile. Yeah, so I just wanted to sort of put that out there, that I can do it for you for free, or if you want to pay a really low sum, because I'm doing it on Fiverr for pretty much pennies, just to get the traction within Fiverr as well. You can sort of support me, the channel, and sort of my work, if you really want to pay. But I'm also offering it for free. It's not going to be like that forever. I'm just doing it just because I want to get some more work in. I've got the time. I'm not looking after my mum now, so I've got even more time. And the other thing is, I really need the money, because yeah, I might get kicked out of here, which is another story which I may explain at some point. But yeah, very interesting times indeed. So yeah, check out in the description, there'll be a link for the website where you can order a mixing and mastering for one song, absolutely free. Or if you really want to pay just a relatively small amount, you can order it through Fiverr as well. And we can just chat. You can just send me a message and we can, figure out what it is you want me to do and how I can help you. And of course, on both of those links, you can actually check my work as well. There we go. Hopefully I can get some traction going and do some wonderful work for you guys. See you there.